A very good morning to one and all, and welcome back to your English core classes. Yes, English core classes, because for today only it's not possible to upload the video of English elective. So actually, if you will go through previous the 5 to 4 videos, then you will know that we were discussing the topic of debate writing, that how will you write it. And but I had not given you the example of that particular writing. So I got a comment that I should go with this first, and then afterwards I will continue with the elective English and the short story, the lesson number 1, which were doing. Okay, so here today I'm presenting an example, and in fact with the example, with the questions, I'll present the example also, that if you are writing it, then what are the things that you need to keep in your mind, and how will you present it, how effective it should be while you are speaking or debating in front of anyone. So if there is any question like this, you are Mukul or Mahima of Alps Public School, your school has organized a debate on social media and its effect. Okay, and you will be participating from your school. Prepare your views against or in favor of the motion. Definitely, whenever we are going to debate, the 2 points will be there, the two opinion will be there. Like you have to present your view for the motion, means that yes, you are agree with this, or against the motion, no, it's not you are not agree with this and it's not right, whatever it is. Okay, so this is the question, and let's see the answer of it. I think we should continue with this. The very one, you always great. So, good morning, everyone. I, Ram, Rahima, whatever, have come before you all to debate on the topic hard work and not only good luck help us to achieve success in life. Maybe the question will occur in your mind that here I am telling the different topic, and in question we have discussed the different topics. So don't worry about the topic, just look at the expression only. I'll be speaking in favor of the motion or for against the motion. Opportunities present themselves to each person at various stages in their life. Yes, and now if you are speaking for the motion, so how social media and its effect for the motion, we all are now connected by the internet, definitely, and neurons in a giant brain. Honorable judges, teachers, and my worth opponents, thank you for giving me opportunity to join this debate on the topic social media and its effect. I am Mukulo Mahima, and I would like to speak in favor of the motion. Or if you are against, then say I am in against of this topic. How many people do not have a smile on their faces on finding an old friends on Facebook? Okay, it's a question which you are raising, as I told you. Well, social media has removed all the barriers and boundaries to communication by bringing the globe on a single platform. While business opportunities have widened, marketers' reach has broadened. It keeps us updated about everything going on in every nook and corner of the world on a real time basis. Okay, and then from every alerts, emergency alerts, announcement, and declaration to knowing how our friends are doing has all become so convenient. It provides freedom of speech and thus enable everyone to speak their mind, not to forget the incalculable access it provides to the extensive information. Okay, then with so much advancement and innovation, it would be an unimaginable world without having social media in it. Someone has rightly put it into words by saying, क्या बाई सेइंग है यहाँ पे, सोशल मीडिया इज अडिक्टिव प्रिसाइजली बिकॉज इट गिव्स अस इंफॉर्मेशन व्हाट द रियल वर्ल्ड लैक्स. इट गिव्स अस immediacy, direction, and a value as an individual. Thank you. Okay, you can quote here, and afterwards with a solid statement you can end your statement by. And now we are continue with the against of the motion. What a world it is, with everyone on their phones all the time, faking their lives and keeping a count of their likes. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Mukul, and my topic for the day is social media and its effect. I would like to speak against the motion, okay? And it has now become doubtful to trust the saying that goes like technology was developed to save time and make our life easier because people have become addicted and unproductivity. It takes a lot of effort and discipline to stay away from social media. Results have shown that it has had adverse effect of human minds and their functioning. Definitely with this point I also agree, it is affecting the human mind as well. Outdoor activities among children have also reduced significantly, no doubt. It provides access to useful information, but it is hard to ignore the quantum of fake news that is spread like wildfire and the extent of impact it has on the society. Definitely it's happening so also that we are not going finding in fact the very true news. Sometimes it comes very fake news also, and whose impact we can see in our society. In fact, fake WhatsApp forwards was a clear pattern that was observed behind the recent mob lynchings, or rather death by social media. I agree because I have seen, in fact, it is one of the reasons behind insecurities and depression among teenagers. It is right that technology was introduced to save time, but we forgot to mention in the right amount. Definitely, that's also I agree. So remember, you leave the present moment every time you check the phone. Okay, so thank you for your cooperation and patient hearing, and afterwards you can end your speech. Okay, so this is what about the for the motion and against the motion topic is. You can pick up any topic and you can write it, and please let me know in fact. So till then keep watching. Hope that from the writing part we have completed much, and from the next video I'll be uploading the English elective. So please keep watching, keep learning. Thank you.